Today, I'll show you how to cite the DSM-5-TR e-version when there are no page numbers. To cite the electronic edition of the DSM-5-TR in the reference list for the whole book, cite it as follows. This is in line with the APA guidelines from page 324 of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association, 7th edition. Reference list, whole book. American Psychiatric Association, period. 2022, period. Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, parenthesis, 5th ed, period, comma, text, rev, period, parenthesis, period. Here is the reference URL to the DSM-5-TR. If you want to cite just a section, there are two ways you can do it. First, lead with entry title. Avoidant Personality Disorder, period, 2022, period. In Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, parenthesis, 5th ed, period, comma, text rev, period, parenthesis, period. And here is the URL with the entry. You can also lead with the APA as the author. American Psychiatric Association, period, 2022, period. Avoidant Personality Disorder, period. In Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, parenthesis, 5th ed, period, comma, text rev, period, parenthesis, period. And then have the URL below. For in-text citation, use the following formats. Parenthesis, American Psychiatric Association, comma, 2022, parenthesis, or parenthesis, quotation, avoidant personality disorder, comma, quotation, 2022, parenthesis, period. If you will be citing the APA multiple times in text and are using an author lead in your reference list, your first citation should be parenthesis, American Psychiatric Association, bracket, APA, bracket, comma, 2022, parenthesis, and all subsequent citations as parenthesis, APA, comma, 2022, parenthesis, period. And these are the corresponding URLs that were cited in that document. Hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please contact the library. Thanks.